From the Delhi studios of Republic TV, it's time for Arnab Goswami on The Debate.
Arnab Goswami on The Debate at 10, powered by RP Sanjeev Goenka Group.
Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back. In 2022, we complete 75 years of independence. And as the largest democracy in the world, we deserve a legislative headquarters and administrative headquarters that meets the needs and demands of a new India. A complete revamp of Lutyens is necessary. Complete revamp. In fact, the whole Lutyens structure needs to go in more ways than one. And that is why I find the Vadra family and its cohorts' opposition to the Central Vista project absolutely unnecessary. Let's debate.
On December 10th, Prime Minister Narendra Modi laid the foundation stone for the new Parliament building, which is a part of central government's most ambitious project.
बरसों से मुश्किलों भरी स्थिति रही है। बरसों से नए संसद भवन की जरूरत महसूस की गई है। ऐसे में ये हम सभी का दायित्व बनता है कि 21वीं सदी के भारत को अब एक नया संसद भवन मिले।
26 days after the Bhumi Pujan, the Supreme Court of India has given a clearance for construction of a project that would change the power corridors of India as we know it.
After a marathon hearing was conducted before a 3-judge bench headed by Justice A.M. Khanwilkar, a 2:1 majority judgment given by Justice A.M. Khanwilkar as well as Justice Dinesh Maheshwari in favour of the redevelopment of the Central Vista area has said that the central government can now not only construct the new Parliament building but also construct buildings to house various ministries.
But those who pride themselves as the voice of Lutyens are unhappy with this infrastructure project.
I have a fundamental issue with the whole Central Vista project. Ever since, especially this government kept saying that they believe in maximum governance and minimum government. Minimum government cannot happen if the infrastructure of the government keeps expanding and becomes absolutely huge. A huge government and a large government and an infrastructure-heavy government is a sign of an authoritarian, non-democratic government. And bureaucrats will love it.
देखिए, हमें सेंट्रल विस्टा प्रोजेक्ट के ही खिलाफ है शुरू से ही। क्यों? अभी जिस समय हमारे देश में इतनी मंदी का संकट है, सरकार फूड राशन देना बंद कर लिया मुफ्त में। सरकार ने बेरोजगारी की जो समस्या है उसके हल में कम से कम कुछ अलाउंस दे, कहते पैसे नहीं है। माइग्रेंट वर्कर के लिए भी कोई मदद नहीं की।
Here's why the Central Vista project is necessary. The buildings from 1960s are showing signs of stress. The redevelopment will allow all government offices to be at one location. The 92-year-old Parliament building is in need of repairs without hampering the structural ability. The seating capacity needs to be increased and more space is required for party offices and various committees. The project will entail a complete redevelopment of Lutyens Delhi, an area developed by British architects Sir Edwin Lutyens and Herbert Baker, and ensure that India has an administrative headquarters akin to Capitol Hill in the US or Russia's Kremlin. So is the Congress and the lobby's opposition justified? Let's debate.
Okay, let me just open up the debate today. Let's first open up the debate with two sides. First question goes here to Vivek, and Vivek can start the debate with Guru Prakash of the BJP. Vivek, I'll give you 1 minute. You and Saira 1 minute, right? 30 seconds each to open with your problem with this revamp. Are you sort of attached to Lutyens, so attached to the way it's been created for the Lutyens people today by the British that you don't want to see any change in it, any modernization or any development? Yes, please.
You
Please,
do have
please,
a legacy.
please.
You do have a legacy, and unfortunately, the legacy of this nation is the secular constitution and the ethos of the constitution. But the Prime Minister and the present government and the Bharatiya Janata Party want to, just break away any relationship with this constitution. They want to make new buildings. They want to to change education curriculums. It is not just about buildings. It's about many other things. It is about destroying the institutions. It is about destroying the legacy that this nation had freedom fighters. And just because the freedom fighters belong to a particular party, you want to break away that also. So now you
we'll get Guru responding.
A Hindutva India, a Hindu Rashtra India, with the new buildings, new roads.
Guru responding on Lutyens revamp.
And at this time,
please
when the
listen
economy
to me,
is so
Vivek
down.
Arnab, I seriously don't understand the observations of my friend when he says secular. My friend, please tell me, it was whose government, under whose rule the Muslim Personal Law Board came in 1970? Point number one. Point number two, who reversed the progressive Shah Bano judgment by bringing a law against it in 1986? Who said, which Prime Minister said in 2007?
Those are exceptional cases, sir. You denounce the Hindu Rashtra.
This is not secularism, sir.
Sir, you
this is not
secular.
No. These are not exceptional
you say
cases,
Hindu
sir.
Rashtra is a
You
bad
are not
concept.
going to selectively attack. No, you are not going to selectively.
Hindu Rashtra is a bad
you are
concept.
not going to selectively take it, sir.
It is not a very great concept of the Hindu Rashtra of the RSS. And I'll agree with you.
आप secular बोलते, secular का मतलब ये नहीं है. सेक्युलर का डेफिनेशन पढ़ के आइए. सेक्युलरिज्म का अर्थ समझिए आप. धर्मनिरपेक्षता क्या होती है आपको पता नहीं है.
सेक्युलर रहेगा. हिंदू मुसलमान एक बराबर है. मैं आपकी बात मानूंगा ना. मैं आपके साथ खड़ा हूंगा.
एग्जैक्टली ये आप समझिए विवेक जी, आप समझिए. मैं आपसे बहस नहीं करना चाहता हूँ. आज यहाँ विषय कुछ और है, उस पर आइए फोकस करते हैं. यू सी नहीं आप सुनिए. आपसे मैं डिबेट ही नहीं करना चाहता हूँ. नहीं आपसे डिबेट करना व्यर्थ है. आप मेरी बात सुनिए. The topic of the debate today.
Guru Prakash is on the debate today. He's the new national spokesperson of the BJP on the debate. Yes. Yeah. Saira is also on the debate.
The topic of the debate today.
Yeah. Continue, gentlemen. Continue debating.
Vista project. Yes, the Central Vista project. The Supreme Court of India today has categorically said, with a majority verdict of 2:1, considering the recommendation of the Delimitation Commission, where are we going to adjust 888 Lok Sabha MPs? Where are we going to adjust 300 plus Rajya Sabha MPs? We need new structure. There are some structural flaws with this building. It doesn't have fire clearance. It is not up to date. So I seriously don't understand. And the Honorable Prime Minister of India has repeatedly said that the new building would be reflective of the aspirations of the new India. It is going to be free ourselves, decolonize ourselves from the unnecessary vestiges of the British administration. Please be clear. I
think
seriously don't understand. The point is, Arnabji, that the opposition
has told the citizenry and told us how relevant the Central Vista project is for the democracy
the
of
opposition
India
has become
and
issueless.
for the economy
No,
of
you
India.
cannot question the
So
Supreme
at
Court of
least
India.
for the
Please
citizens
don't
of
question the
India
Supreme Court of India. I seriously
how
don't understand this
important
problem.
and relevant
You are
the
repeatedly
Central
questioning the
Vista
Supreme Court of
project
India.
is
Supreme
for
Court is
the-
an
Saira is on the debate, Saira.
And for
It is
the
a
economy,
constitutional
look
body.
at the
It is a
priorities.
constitutional body.
Today, this
No, 1 second. Don't get the Supreme Court into politics.
very clearly
Don't get the
told
Supreme Court into
citizenry
politics.
How
The Supreme Court has looked at the matter in terms of merit. Saurabh is also coming in on the debate. Saurabh. No. The Supreme Court of India has looked at the matter in terms of merits and it has given a 2:1 judgment. Saira, let me please say, let the record straight about the Supreme Court of India. The problem with all of you is you want to drag the Supreme Court of India into politics. Please, Saira, please, I'm sorry, I'll have to intervene, viewers. We cannot allow the Supreme Court of India to be dragged into politics, and that is what the lobby always wants to do. It wants to put every judgment, every thought, every application of mind by the Supreme Court of India into some petty political debate. The Supreme Court...
But look at our
Saira, will you?
priorities.
Saira, listen.
Which
is unfortunate.
To 1:1, what do you call, number ratio, and I'm glad that one person at least.
Why should one be at the cost of the other?
Go against this and stand up.
No, no. How is the vaccination? How is the vaccination drive affected by giving a green signal to the Central Vista project? Why are you linking the unlinkable?
And the fact
why are you linking the unlinkable?
Right now the priority should be that the vaccine should reach every citizen of India, and here we are dabbling in 20,000 crores for a vanity project where we have left the migrants on the road, where people are dying.
It's a progressive agenda. What the real problem with Latvians Brigade is, anything that Narendra Modi does, you have a problem with that. You raise issues. This parliament is going to be a parliament of Republic of India. Parliament for every religion, every party, every person. What is the problem? It reflects a new India. Your problem is that you have a problem with Narendra Modi. Anything that he does, you have a problem with that. And now that the Supreme Court has given its verdict, you've got to...
Vimrendu Jha is also on the debate.
This parliament building, as the Prime Minister said, will reflect a new India. It is required. It is required for reasons for structural safety. It is required for security of the lawmakers to make sure the Parliament of India is more representative. How would you house so many people? Have you entered and seen what is the state of the present Parliament building? Why should you stay in a time warp? Why should you have a status quo in this country? It represents, it's a pride of India. The Parliament is pride of India. You need to have something, a structure that represents the new India, the new country, the ethos of new India. What's wrong with that? And the Supreme Court is rightly
No. It is being paid by the taxpayers,
they know that a new India, a vibrant India wants a new Parliament.
No, I think this is a great disservice.
And usages that actually help the citizens and the poor of the country.
Every time
how about
I want to.
That's a problem that you guys have.
How about spending that money on the vaccination?
Okay, viewers, here's a question. Waris Pathan is on the debate. Waris is on the debate. One second. Waris is on the debate. But before that, we have Professor Bharat Gupta, who's executive member and trustee of the Indira Gandhi National Centre for Arts, who wants to come in. Viewers, the Supreme Court has given a go-ahead for the Central Vista project. The pseudos are at the forefront, slinging mud at the verdict, but we need to talk facts. What is the problem with this project? I still have not understood. The way some people are tweeting Professor Bharat Gupta, they are trying to say that this has been built by Narendra Modi for himself. Narendra Modi is not going to live in the Parliament House building. How silly.
No,
I still haven't seen the opposition for it. I don't know where the opposition is coming from.
Absolutely.
Professor Bharat Gupta, please. Yes.
I would like to say...
Yes, Professor.
I would like to say
sir.
that people should look upon the whole thing in a very practical manner. I would like anybody to prove to me that the present parliament can really function in its present state of decay. It's absolutely decayed as a building. If the Rail Bhavan, if all those offices, Shastri Bhavan stinks, all these buildings, if you want to continue with them, would require crores and crores. And in the next 10 years, they would require more than 20,000 crores. It's a very practical decision to tear them down and to build it again. This is something which is happening in Delhi all the time. Middle class people are doing it. Now, the second point is this whole thing about Hindutva, etc. Talk about the design. Is the new parliament made like Ajanta Ellora or a Hindu mandir? It's made in a beautiful design. If you have any objection, if you can say that the design could be improved, please do it. Like we have done at Indira Gandhi National Centre. We have really said that please improve this design, make it more Indian, and it has been accepted. So I'll just take Waris half a minute to finish the whole thing. Please look upon the whole project as a very practical thing. It is for the coming generation that a new construction is being done. No trees are being torn down. Nothing is going to happen which will spoil the environment. So I think it's a very good gesture. As far as the money regarding the pandemic, etc., there are dozens of projects in the country going into 20,000 crore or 30,000 crores. All over the country, you are having development projects. Why do you want to target this one? So please have an overall and a sensible thing, and if you are able to do it irrespective of the party, irrespective of BJP, then the coming generations will thank you.
Well, let me tell you, well, Arnab, the Supreme Court has given the judgment. It is a dissenting judgment. Because one of the honorable judge has commented upon the change of land use.
It's a 2:1 judgment,
sir. The BJP has totally lost on its priorities. The priority before the country today is the GDP, which is falling tremendously down. What has the government done for it? The priority today before the nation is the lakhs and lakhs of youths have lost their jobs due to the corona and the pandemic. What has the government done for them? So we are losing on our priority. You are spending 14,000 crore rupees on the Central Vista, which is the taxpayers' money, Arnab. Today, the BJP government should have put that money to improve the GDP.
Okay, can I ask you a question, Waris? How much money is spent on rent? How much money is spent? One second, can I come in for a minute? Waris, a question from me to you. A question from me to you. Do you know how much money is spent as office rent for central ministries every year? Do you know how much money is spent as rent for central ministries every year? 1,000 crores. That money will be saved. You know how much land will be opened up in the heart of Delhi for the people? 75 acres. Don't misrepresent facts, Waris. Don't misrepresent facts.
I am not misrepresenting
the present parliament structure is crumbling down.
The nation must
No, I'm sorry. The present parliament structure is crumbling down. You want India to have a crumbled down, broken down parliament? I don't think so.
In the COVID vaccination, the government should have used the money for providing better facilities and hospitals to the people.
Now that's ridiculous. What? Tell me one rupee the government has saved has taken away from COVID vaccination for this. Geeta is on the debate with you.
Parliament is a temple of democracy.
That any government has made. This is not the first time that a government has taken such an initiative. Earlier in 2012 also, the UPA government had also made the same suggestions.
What has the government done for them?
The report very categorically, which was a letter sent by the Lok Sabha Speaker of that time, Meera Kumar, to the Ministry of Urban Affairs, very categorically said that the Parliament House, which was commissioned in 1927, in the 20th century, it is totally under distress and is under distress due to overuse, and desperately a new parliament building is required for this purpose. There are the number of MPs which are going to, it is going to increase
present
from
requirement of the
543
country,
to
madam, is
400
providing
plus in
jobs
Lok Sabha in the
to the
coming
youth
year.
of the country. Lakhs and lakhs of youth have lost their job due to the corona and the pandemic. Madam, the priority of the government should have been that. The GDP is gone down. The government should have spent certain money to improve the economy of the country. We need an improved economy.
So Vimlendu.
Okay,
so
now it is going to get a new award.
On making a grand
Okay, so let's do one thing. Let's do one thing. By this logic, and I'd like Vimlendu to come into the debate with Bharat Gupta. I'd like Vimlendu to come into the debate with Professor Bharat Gupta. No. By this logic, Vimlendu and Professor Bharat Gupta for a minute. Okay. So suppose I agree with this suggestion, Professor Bharat Gupta, that nothing should change. Nothing should change. We should live exactly as the British wanted us to in the 1920s and 30s.
And as Chacha Nehru wanted
10 years
us in
from
55.
now, one day, Vimlendu Jha will get up one morning, Professor Bharat Gupta, and he will walk from his house, and he will walk down Rajpath, and he will see ruins and ruins and ruins. Then he will go to the parliament structure, which would be in ruins, crumbling down. He will walk through it, and then he will walk up and down North Block. He will go to Shastri Bhavan. It would have fallen down by then, but he will say, doesn't matter. This is environmentally safe. Nobody can live here. Nobody can operate from here, but I'm attached to the ruins. Then he'll take a selfie, and he will say, this is great for the country. No, Vimlendu, I want to tell you, Vimlendu, nothing is forever. I will be a little philosophical about it. I will be a little philosophical and complete my point to you, my friend, and then I want to tell you, nothing including you, me, the trees, The moon, the sky, the stars, the grass, the buildings, all Latvians is forever. Latvians will change.
Don't be philosophical.
You have to reconcile.
How do you know I'm Latvian? How do you know I'm Latvian?
You don't have a sense of humor. That's your problem, Vimalendu.
Are you calling me on your show to tell you a perspective? No, let me talk, Arnab.
I'm saying you don't have any sense of humor. You've taken everything seriously.
Can I tell you? So can I speak now?
Can I just come in and say something?
One day when I go on a walk, the same analogy that you've drawn, can I speak? So when I go on a walk, I don't want thousands and thousands of people to be dead. Do you also know that Delhi is the most polluted capital of the world? Do you know the air quality index of Delhi just 3 days ago was 500? Do you know that smog towers and these smog guns cannot compensate for the hundreds of trees that this particular project or many such projects that you so-called called us pseudo have actually been opposing? Do you understand that a leaking and a collapsing Shastri Bhavan and a collapsing and a dead Delhi? Do you think we have an agenda here? You calling people and with agenda? You know who the petitioner of this case was? Is it the opposition party? No. These are people who care for clean air.
Yes,
people,
can I answer
please
all
understand
this, please?
that there is rule of law in this country. And by the way, the biggest anti-national then should be Justice Khanna. Before you call people here and calling them names, call names to Justice Khanna, the third justice who actually said.
Now, please, can I answer all these?
I think you haven't understood anything. One second. No, I need to intervene here once. One minute, sir. 1 minute. I need to intervene. 1 second. I need to intervene. I need to intervene. 1 second. I am responding to Vimalendu. Vimalendu, I am responding to you now. You've overreacted. Listen to me now. Point number 1. When the gentleman said 2:1 verdict, I said, do not ever drag the Supreme Court into politics. 2:1, 1:2 is not the issue. I respect the Supreme Court, every view, including the dissenting view.
It is an issue.
Every word that you're putting here are words that you're putting. Okay? I respect every view, including the dissenting view. But 1 second. No, 1 second now. Now you need to let others speak now. Vimalendu. Second, out of the joy of a sense of humor, I tried to check whether you have one. So I said, one day you will walk amidst the ruins and take selfies. If you think I was making a completely serious comment, then you don't have a funny bone in your body. Then the third point is, I was making a larger point. That by this logic, I'm coming to you, sir, nothing will change. You know, Mamata Banerjee painted Bengal blue and white after coming to power. But I will not go into the politics of it. Kamal Nath allegedly spent about 38 crores on refurbishing the houses of Congress ministers. I will not speak about that. There is a new Chhattisgarh assembly building,
Arnab, you know the air quality
in Naya Raipur to comply with the aspirations of Chhattisgarh. Allow me a minute, please. Allow me a minute, Mr. Vimalendu Jha. Mr. Vimalendu Jha, allow me a minute. Don't push. Now, I'm making a point to you. I am asking you a point, and now please listen. Tell me, did you beat yourself up black and blue about why Chhattisgarh should have a new assembly building? Did you not say the environment will be destroyed? We'll all die, as you said?
Now, can I come
in? Can I speak?
And answer some of the objections which have been made by women.
You know the air quality index of
Chhattisgarh? Yes, let me talk about the air quality, please. Yes,
this.
Now, yes, I understand. Now, will you allow me, please,
will I speak to Arnab or will I speak to one of the other cronies?
No. Who is a crony here, please? Have some manners.
No, nobody's a crony now. That's not right.
Now, he asked me to speak.
Please, both of you argue, but not in the
and I'm speaking on my turn.
You're both on the debate. One after the other, you speak.
No, then let me answer.
Speaking now.
He asked me a 2-minute question.
So I
speak for 60
हाँ तो
seconds
ठीक है.
at least.
अब मुझे जवाब देने दो ना.
60 seconds. There was
I will after Bharat, after Professor Bharat, you will speak.
He asked me a question. There's a reason why I've given 1 hour of my time.
Okay, I'm
to this
giving you
channel.
the
I should be
answer
allowed
of
to
the
speak.
question. It's an issue, burning issue.
Who are you to
There
give
is
me
a
the time?
whole
I'm
false
asking
propaganda.
Arnab, you
There is a
had a
whole
question. Can I
अरे
answer
यार
you?
आप काम की बात कीजिए, please go on with the debate. Don't make it a personal slanging match, please, for God's sake. Now the fact is that the quality of air, is not dependent on the central vista. Now please allow me to speak. For God's sake, allow me to speak. Where is your environment of debate? Have some environment of debate, for God's sake. Have an environment of debate. अरे यार आप डिबेट का environment तो पैदा कीजिए, बोलने का environment तो कीजिए, पेड़ों का environment बाद में आएगा. Now it is a false propaganda that this vista is going to ruin the quality of air, or it is going to do any damage to the whole thing. The quality of Delhi air depends upon a huge number of things, and not just on vista. Vista is not going to reduce the number of trees. Vista is going to increase the number of the trees. Vista is going to have less parking. Vista is going to have more space for people to travel. People is, सुनिए आप सारी बातें.
Majority is 23 million or 800 parliamentarians, यार.
No. The question is, it's
अरे हमारा क्या है प्रोपेगेंडा? हम कौन से पार्टी के हैं? आप बताइए हमें. हम कौन से पार्टी के हैं? हम लुटिन्स में रहते हैं. हम कौन से पार्टी के हैं? आपको क्या लगता है हम कौन से पार्टी के हैं?
आपका वेस्टेड इंटरेस्ट है जबरदस्ती फैक्ट्स को डिस्टॉर्ट
क्या है वेस्ट? मेरा वेस्टेड इंटरेस्ट क्लियर है. आपका वेस्टेड इंटरेस्ट होगा.
एनवायरनमेंट इज गोइंग टू इंप्रूव. The quality of parking is going to improve. If you study the whole thing, you will see that this whole change is happening right now. The number of cars which are parked around all these government buildings would go underground. And the number of trees is going to go. Why cannot it be? आप जरा उसको study कीजिए. Please have a close look at it. It is there.
मतलब अर्नब,
no trees being cut.
I'm used to, I only talk to you because you and I have sane conversation. This kind of insanity, talk to me with logic.
Look,
will trees be cut? Yes or no?
No, there is no insanity here.
No, very few trees are being cut. Minimal number of trees are being cut.
Yes or no? Just talk logic, yaar.
Yes, I am talking of logic. The number of trees being cut is extremely small.
आपको और पेड़ चाहिए और बिल्डिंग चाहिए. अर्नब, आपको और बिल्डिंग चाहिए और पेड़ चाहिए.
Talk about Lutyens Delhi, talk about the central vista. The whole environment of Delhi is not dependent upon constructing a few buildings on Rajpath. Now don't confuse the issue about the quality of Delhi air as a whole and with the western.
Okay, now I have to get others also in.
कैसे नहीं रहते हैं?
I'll bring Saurav in. I'll bring Saurav and Vivek are on the debate. I'll bring Saurav and Vivek on the debate. Now listen, well, my essential question is to what Vimlendu has said, and there's nothing personal in the debate. First of all, I want to tell you that whenever we talk about the Supreme Court, you can't go after the Supreme Court. You cannot do this. You disagree with a verdict.
Absolutely.
So Prashant Bhushan goes after the Supreme Court for the Central Vista project because you disagree with the verdict. You go after the Supreme Court on the Shaheen Bagh issue. You go after the Supreme Court for the Ayodhya verdict. You go after the Supreme Court for the Rafale verdict. You go after the judges. You stop at nothing. You go after the Supreme Court in the Judge Loya case. In every single case, if the judgment does not suit you, you go after the highest court in the country. I have a problem with that. I have a problem. It's going too far, Saurav. I think we need to make that point.
You know the problem.
If the Supreme Court does not give judgments that agree with me, I'll go after the Supreme Court.
Supreme Court is custodian of India's
on so many, no, 1 minute, I must say this further. On so many occasions, 1 minute, I want to say, on so many occasions, I want to say, I have myself gone to the Supreme Court. The Supreme Court has sent me back to the High Court. I've gone to the Supreme Court for justice. They say, go back to the High Court, come back through the process. I've gone through it. Are we to disagree and say that we don't disagree with the Supreme Court, so we'll start calling it names? Just because it says something that may not suit your immediate convenience? I do want to make that point. I just wanted to make that point. Saurav, please. We must respect the Supreme Court.
If you see, Arnab,
And
if
its
you see
verdicts
the
and its
judgment
views.
today,
It's not that
Vivek,
bad
can I
condition,
speak for a
not such
minute?
a bad
Yeah,
condition that we cannot use it.
Arnab, if
That's
you
the first
see the
part.
judgment today,
Nobody is
it
against the
reflects
judiciary.
the
Nobody is
true
against the court.
democratic quality of
However,
this country.
the court
That
is
one
not going to
honorable
comment on
judge
the real
decided to
reasons
disagree
because
with
of
others.
which this
That
whole
is the
project
beauty
has
of
been
India's
undertaken.
democracy. And
It
this
is
is what
not
Supreme
because
Court of India
the old
represents.
parliamentary building is
That
going
we
to collapse.
agree to disagree.
It is also
Of
not
course
because
it is.
there is something
view
very wrong
was that this
in the
project
north
must
block
go
or the south
on
block.
because
Yes.
the building
The main reason
represents
is
a
that you
billion
want to
people.
break
This
away from a
represents the
legacy
aspirations
and
of a
you
new
want to
India.
start something
And
new
obviously the
so that
Supreme
you
Court
are
I-
was
immortalized.
by the
You
argument.
have,
I
you know, the
therefore-
maniacs
What is the
like
problem?
Prime
No, no,
Minister
and if
who feel
anybody-
You should
that
not-
by
you
making
should
such
not-
buildings,
No, no, I'm very sorry.
You should
I'm very sorry. I will go further to say. I will go further to say. I will go further to say.
of the country.
I will
and
go
the
further to
democracy of
say.
India.
I will go further to say that we are being very disrespectful towards the Supreme Court of late. And one point,
So is
Saira, Saira, don't do this.
justifiable? Is this
No,
justified?
no. I am on the point. Saira, listen.
Look
Saira,
at the
listen.
informal
Saira,
sector,
listen.
Arnab.
Saira,
You
listen.
know,
Please,
lakhs
Saira.
of people have lost their jobs in the informal sector.
No, 1 minute. I'm on
Here,
another point
today,
about the
central
court's
government
observation.
employees
No.
have cut.
You see, you must
cut their
understand.
salary.
No,
They've been
1 minute.
slashed
Beyond,
in
no,
their
beyond the
salaries.
environmental
And
issue, I
here
want to
we are
make a point.
talking
Saira,
about a
listen.
vanity project.
Saira,
We are
listen.
talking about
Saira, listen
plush
to me.
offices. We are talking about a new
Saira,
parliament building.
you may
And
call it a
here,
vanity project, but it has the
people
seal
are
of the
actually
Supreme Court today.
incurring losses in
You may
every
call it
other
a vanity
way.
project. It has the seal of the
Wage
Supreme
cuts,
Court today. And I want to bring in.
Look at the economy.
No, but I want to bring in Waris and I want to bring in Waris and Guru Prakash today on it. No, I want to bring in Waris and Guru Prakash on it. See, there are two issues: environmental, political, and legal. We must, and Vimlendu says, Arnab, I agree with you. Sometimes we have sane debates. Thank you for saying that, Vimlendu. Yes, we have sane debates, but there's political, environmental, and legal. Now, when we take a matter to the Supreme Court, we take the matter from the environmental and political domain to the legal domain, which means we go before the Supreme Court and say, my lords, whatever you deliver, we will follow. Now, especially when it's a national project. And I'm telling you, I have read the minority opinion and the majority opinion, and I really like the way the minority opinion is expressed. And look at the sensitivity with which the way in which Justice Khanna has said, and he says, I quote Justice Khanna, I have agreed on the aspect of notice inviting bid, award and order of the Urban Commission with the opinion of respected brother Justice Khanwilkar. However, on the aspect of change of land use, I have held that the same was initiated as being bad in law. Words of Justice Khanna. Two reasons for that are no disclosure for public participation and no prior approval of the Heritage Conservation Committee. I have accordingly remitted the matter of the Heritage Conservation Committee. So he has given very strong reasons for the dissenting judgment. We respect it. At the same time, Justice Khanna, I'm reading it. So, you know, what you said was wrong. I'm reading it. Justice Khanwilkar directed that smog towers are to be installed, installation of the same be carried out during construction, and Justice Khanwilkar and Justice Maheshwari formed the majority. Justice Khanna pronounced the separate judgment. Now, this is the beauty of our legal system. And this is the way respect is shown among brother judges. And I don't understand that once the Supreme Court has said things, Waris, we respect all the judgments. Now let us move on, no? Now what is the problem now? To do politics after the Supreme Court has green-lighted it, I feel, is disrespect to the Supreme Court.
Let me tell you.
I believe it is.
Well, with great respect to the Supreme Court, I am a lawyer
yes,
also,
tell me,
and full
I'm
respect
listening.
to the honourable judges of the Supreme Court. But as the honourable judge of the Supreme Court, Justice J.S. Verma has earlier said, Supreme Court is supreme but not infallible. Yes, we accept the judgment of the Supreme Court, but there is a dissent in it. And may I ask you, Arnab, one simple question today?
This is now this is you're going into a different domain.
What do you think is the priority before the nation today? No. Tell me what is the priority before the nation today? Is spending rupees 14,000 crore on the Central Vista the priority, or providing jobs to the youth of the country who has lost due to the pandemic and corona? Or is getting the GDP proper corrected, is that the priority? Or improving the economy of the country is the priority?
Okay, I'll tell you two things now. I'll tell you two things. Okay, can I respond to you? Can I respond to you? Can I respond to you?
Answer to me, please.
Can I respond to you?
Yeah, kindly.
Can I respond to you?
Yeah.
Okay, can I respond to you? I'll respond to you and then I'll put Guru in. Now the thing is, we have the 75th year of independence, okay? I truly believe, and you may disagree with me, I'm not an environmentalist, but I truly believe that first of all, if anybody tells me that India's environment will collapse if we have a new parliament building, you must be out of your mind. That's not true. Second point is, listen, of course there are priorities, there are views. Second view, everybody has their own priority. Now if you tell me that, okay, so I'll tell you, 75th year of independence, I am of the view that we should expand into the area of global media, that we should broadcast news to the world. Now you may tell me that's not a priority, COVID vaccination is a priority. I can counter and ask you, how does India having a global media organization, or for that matter India having a new parliament, come at the cost? Come at the cost of jobs or COVID? No, you can't say. You prove to me it comes at the cost.
Hospital facilities.
You are extending the argument, you need to prove to Guru.
During the corona,
how does it come at a cost?
People were facing problems due to hospital shortages. Arnab, we have seen there were shortages in the hospitals.
I want you to prove to me how it comes at the cost. Okay, prove, Guru. Counter argument now. Counter please. No, this is not appropriate.
What about the jobs? When will the government provide jobs to the youth? Lakhs and lakhs of youths have lost their jobs. What about the GDP? What about the GDP?
Please listen to me very quickly. So, Varisji, you should have the patience to listen to other people as well. Let me educate you on the matter of jobs, sir. In the entire period of pandemic, that was unprecedented. Pradhan Mantri Garib Kalyan Rozgar Yojana, 50,000 crore, 125 district, 116 days of employment. For states like Bihar, Madhya Pradesh, Rajasthan, Telangana, that is jobs for you. 11,000 employment directly from this Central Vista project. That is jobs for you. The problem is that you don't understand. The Supreme Court of India has categorically said with a verdict of 2:1. Please understand the judicial process, which is very elementary and fundamental in nature. They have categorically said that
what about the GDP?
There are some structural flaws. No. Let me, sir, we have been listening to you.
To ensure that the GDP will rise.
Have you read? There is a slump in the global GDP, sir.
Okay.
There is a slump in the global GDP.
Okay, we go back to the third debate now, viewers.